Welcome to my online Webspiration tutorial. The first thing you want to do is bring up your internet browser and go into mywebspiration.com. After coming to mywebspiration.com, if you don't have an account, you want to sign up now, which is here. If you already have an account like I do, you want to type in your username and your password and sign in. Webspiration is a web-based program that works just as Kidspiration and Inspiration. However, with Webspiration, it's web-based and you can collaborate with others. We'll get into that a little later, but here is your launch page. After logging in, you'll be directed to this welcome page. Here you can go to your launch page, the help center, the learning library. You can find out what's new. You can get some tutorials, all types of things here. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to launch Webspiration. So after clicking here, we'll be redirected to a page where you have a few options. You can, from the page that we are being redirected to, you can create a diagram, outline, you can use some templates, all sorts of things. But in this lesson, we're more focused on creating a diagram and collaborating with others. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on diagram. After having a diagram, we have to give it a name. We're going to call it Webspiration Tutorial for Web 2.0. You can tag it so when others search, they can find out what's going on, or they can find it from searching different keywords, but we're not going to use that feature right now. You can if you would like. I just choose not to. Okay, click save, and then it's going to bring up a document that has already the focal point name, and that is Webspiration Tutorial for the Web. Now, this green circle, you say, well, that's not really appealing to the eye. I would like to change it. If you go to your left hand side here, you have numerous bubbles and symbols that you can change it to. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it's selected. You select it by right clicking on it, left clicking on it, I'm sorry, and you select something. You can change it to a world, some bulbs, a date, a flag. If you look on the drop down menu, this is the library of different icons. We want to choose the technology icon. Okay, this one is very fitting. Okay, so now you say, this is my main idea. How do I brainstorm and place other ideas that I may have about Webspiration? So I click off. Just say I want the symbol to go here. So I come over here, I select something, it goes there. I have the option to type in here, and it's done. Maybe I want to add something else. I want to put it in this direction. Select there. Okay, I want to add something else. Fairly easy, right? Okay, so now just say, well, I brainstormed these ideas. You can move them by dragging. I have these ideas, but my focal idea is, it needs to be changed. It doesn't make sense. So you can click there and you can edit your main idea. Pretty neat. Okay, so now, right now, it's just a bunch of things pasted on the screen. Nothing is connected to anything. It really is just a random list of ideas. Okay, what you want to do is you want to click on your focal point, your main idea, and you want to go up here to the link. And there's a line, and you can link it. Now, Once you go there, once you link it, you don't have to go back. You could just click and drop. Click and drop. You have the option to write ideas on the line. Don't have an idea, so it's just write idea. But that's an option that you do have. Okay, so now here is my document. Now, this is all I can come up with, and I want my counterpart to help me and add her ideas. Oh, how do I do that? Well, I don't have to copy all this and paste it into an email and go back and forth. She can collaborate right here on Webspiration. I want to share my document. I'm going to invite her to work on this document with me. The first thing I need to know is I need to know her email address or her username. Since I can't remember her username, I'm going to type her email address. Now, there are two different roles that she can have. She can be a collaborator or she can be a viewer. Now, as a viewer, she can't edit the document. She can see it, but she cannot edit it. Being that I want her to work on the document with me, I'm going to choose collaborator. Now, once I click next, it brings up a little box where I can type a quick message to her and say, add your ideas by Friday. Anything you want to select and put and share, and it will be sent to her. This is the end of my tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.